Let's do the performance task part of our test study guide. So it says Charlie wants to join the gym and is trying to find the least expensive option. He estimates he will go about 14 times per month. So we have three options here. We have unlimited access, which is $75 per month for unlimited use. We have pay as you go, which you pay only $6.50 each time you work out, or standard membership, which you pay $38 per month and $3 each time you work out. So let's create an equation and solve for each amount that he would pay. All right, so unlimited access, that cost is just gonna be $75 regardless, right? No matter how many times you go, whether it's 0 or 100, you're just gonna pay $75. So there's nothing more as part of that equation. It's just your cost is always $75. What about pay as you go? Well, our cost here is gonna equal $6.50 each time we work out, right? So $6.50 times W, which is each time we work out. And then we would just plug in how many times we worked out. So in this case, we said Charlie was gonna work out 14 times. So our cost would be $6.50 times 14. And then now you can just calculate what that's equivalent to. And that would be $91. All right, and then for standard membership, your cost is going to be $38 that you pay per month and $3 each time you work out. So that would be adding 3 times W, right? $3 each time you work out. Order of operations tells us we have to multiply first. So when you're plugging in for the 14 times, you would have to first do 3 times 14, right? And that would give us 3 times 10 would be 30, 3 times 4 would be 12, so that'd be 42. $38 plus $42 would be the cost. And when you do that math, you would get a cost of $80. All right, so now we want to evaluate which of these options is the least expensive option and probably the best option. That would be unlimited access. And that saves Charlie $5 or more per month. All right. Now let's go on to the next part. It says, what would be the least expensive option for Charlie if he went 11 times per month? So luckily we already set up these equations for each of these, right? So unlimited access, we had pay as you go, and we had standard membership. So we can use those same equations. Unlimited access, no matter what, that was just $75 per month, right? So we know it's gonna be the same whether he went 11 or 14 times. Pay as you go, we're gonna use the cost is equal to $6.50 times however many times he works out. In this case, that would be 11 times, right? So we can evaluate how much that would cost. When we do $6.50 times 11, we get $71.50. So he'd pay $71.50. Already that's looking cheaper than the unlimited access in that case. And then standard membership, we would pay that $38, remember, plus $3 every time we worked out. So in that case, we'd be working out 11 times. That would be 33. So 38 plus 33, that would give us a total cost of $71. So in this case, it wants to know what the least expensive option would be if you went 11 times per month, and that would be standard membership and that would only be by 50 cents, but it wants to know what the least expensive is, and that would be the standard membership by 50 cents. All right, and that is how you complete the performance task section of your practice.